Hello from Iceland. Again, we are here at Arnarsetur, filming the volcanic eruption from a hill. The volcano is still erupting, as you see. There you see it. We are from the backside, but lava is shooting up in the air in between. The opening of the volcano is to the other side. That's why you don't see it for now, but eruption is ongoing. So a lot of people parking and walking to the volcano. Maybe I'll do the hike tonight later, so we'll see proper videos, but for now this is what you see from the other side. So I'm going to the lagoon. We're waiting. Yeah, you see the lava jet. There was a small one, so they're not very high for now. But we will launch a drone tonight and you'll see it better. Hope I will be lucky with the weather. Not much seen from this side. It is a pity. It's a bit too far away to launch a drone from here, to be honest. It's maybe 3-4 kilometers. I will come tonight closer to the volcano. Ask patience for that. See. It's close to the lagoon, that's where we are. Okay, you saw the lava now shooting in the air. Some birds are flying. I don't know what kind of bird it is. People walk somewhere to that hill over there. All the best.